You won't believe the deals that I did find. Holy crap, holy crap. So excited to be back in Lakewood. Excited because they have an Extreme board shop who I believe got some SB Dunks. But we're gonna start with the fans because last weekend, a 40% off. They do have a Petrovic jersey. Remember, this is all 40% off. 40% off on top for Petrovic. Got Robert Ory. What are they talking about? $45 for Robert Ory? Really? I don't think I could fit this one, unfortunately. They don't have any mediums. I'm 99% sure I can't fit the small. I was like, what the hell is this? Oh, this is like a movie one. But they got a Clippers, $60. Swingman jersey, Kawhi Leonard. $10 Lakers shirt. By $10, I mean $6. Really? Got NL Champs, $20 Fanatics. Leather Dodgers, 47 brand. These are $28, $26. Got Griffey jerseys right here. I think they're winding down. They should have hit this place up way before, man, because, man, I used to hit this place up and they had all kinds of stuff. I always bought a bunch of stuff here. But these Griffey ones go for $50. Remember, you get another 40 off on tops, $30. XL Clippers hoodie, $25. Wow, that's what, $15 or something like that. Double XL Boston shirt, $14. Knicks hoodie right here, $90, double XL. This is a Mitchell & S. What's this right here? Another Swingman, $45. Kurt Rambis. It's a small though, man. I can't. Why do they got these in smalls? I can't even fit them. God dang it. $25 for the Darius Miles. I think most of these are t-shirts and stuff. Right here, Rams, $30. Golden State, 47 brand. The 47 brands have been going for cheap, $16. A lot of large t-shirts right here. Not too many jerseys and stuff. I think they all sold already. I think this is a Darius Miles. Yeah, Darius Miles large. I'm 99% sure I'm not going to be able to fit these, but I'll try them on. Yeah, I'm 99% sure. Maybe the Swingmans fit different than the Authentics, but we'll try them on. This is a small. The Authentics fit way different. Authentic fits way different than these Swingman ones. Oh, I'm grabbing this. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. And I actually like the way these mediums fit. They're a little tight, but I like the way these mediums fit. They too tight? I don't know. You tell me. But I like these. I like them. Definitely grabbing them. Okay. Yeah, I like these. They fit like tank tops. All right, I'm going to grab them both. Hell yeah. So both are going for $45 each. Holy cow. That's going to drop them down to what? $25? $27? Something like that? So $100 off each of them pretty much. Holy crap. They got a little sales table right here. $5 and under for flags and stuff like that. Okay, what do these normally go for? $10. They're down to $5. Got Seattle. Got Clippers. Got some of these lanyards. What are they, lanyards? Yeah. Sooners right there. Notre Dame stickers. They got stickers and stuff like that. For what, $2 each, I think? Yeah.
And any of these, they drop down like $5, $10,
yeah.
$20, $2.
So, yeah, some of these $4. So, kind of just depends. They got little figures right here, go for $10. Is that Rodman right there? Hot Shot Legends. LaMelo Ball, who did not make the All-Star game, huh? Yeah, that was kind of jacked up. Thought he deserved it, right? And then dude got $10 Funko Pops. How much did 10 Funko Pops normally go for? Normally $15. So got $10 Funko Pops. Got AD. Got Penny. Got Antetokounmpo. Got Trae Young. I got the jumbo ones right here. These are $20 for these. Also got what's this? A Dodgers license plate thing, 22 down to 20. That's not that much of a discount. And I got certain things for 30% off. LJ Kids. Then this is Nash, Steve Nash Kids, $90, 30 off for those. Some Parsons jerseys. These don't look like kids jerseys though. Then got t-shirts right here. Cowboys t-shirts, $55, get 30 off. So yeah, not the greatest for these. $27 each. Holy cow. Oh wait, I forgot. Some people don't like to believe me. Yup, look at that. Look at that. $60 after tax. And as it did mention, Extreme Board Shop, I believe they did release a couple of Nike SB Dunks. And I know that because I do follow their Instagram. They got 5 different dunks. I'm trying to see if they have them out here so I could show them to you in person, in hand. Nah, not really. Not here. I do like these 480s right here. Pretty freaking clean. They use some nice material on these bad boys too. A couple size left. $100. Yeah, I've seen these a few times. Material's so nice on those. Got these 1010s right here. I'm starting to dig some of the New Balance with their 574s and some of their skating lines, man. Not bad, not bad. I got some Nikes on. What are these? The Vertebraes, I think? Yeah, the Vertebraes. 50, 60, 50 for these right here. All kinds of colorways going for cheap. All right, let's look at the SB Dunks right here. That powder blue one, that one looks pretty decent. They do have black and white ones. They're re-releasing the black and white ones. Not with the gum bottoms this time. Just going with the black and white bottoms, and then just going with the black bottoms this time, and then they got those middle ones right there. Those just released this weekend. I don't know the color code, but pretty dope. SB Dunks retail. I never come all the way to this side of the mall because all the sneaker shops are usually on the north side. Apparently they have a finish line. I did not know. I'm laughing because I've literally come to this mall for years, and never knew they had one of these here. And look at this, Cosmic Unities, bigger size, with size 13 or something. $60 freaking dollars, yeah, size 13, $60, not bad. We've seen Dunks on sale, Air Forces on sale as well. Oh, got the fake weak ones right here. The Jazz even on sale at the retail shops. Of course, the 2s are out, so of course there's going to be on sale. Got these in the women's, extra long hair suede right there. Got Vomeros, a little sale. This is grade school. One of the best colorways of the Spizak lows right here. I think this and the black hat, those two are my favorite colorways. Maybe at the outlets for hella cheap. And even LeBron's right here, 110 for those. Nothing too crazy. Maybe that's why I've never stopped by this spot right here. Or maybe because I didn't know about it, one or the other. Do got the Fear 4s. These are the Fear 4s, right? I do got them in grade school. Okay. Got some 4s in grade school. That's not too bad at all. But to be honest, this is the primary reason I came here. Wonder if I have time to stop by Cerritos. I don't know. We'll see. See if these fools got some steals. Valentine's Day 3s just released. Okay. Pretty interesting. I was gonna say, this is grade school women's. They got some ones too. Okay, they got sneakers that I haven't seen releasing for Valentine's Day. And Nike's actually releasing them early, unlike a lot of times when they release them like that weekend, which makes absolutely no sense. They got a little bit of everything for Valentine's Day. Good for them, dude. Look at that. And I'm not obligated to buy anybody anything for Valentine's Day. That's kind of dope. But they do got a little Jordan section right here, where they still do got the 11s. I was hoping to find these on sale at Watts, but that's what happens when I miss a couple weekends or a couple weeks. They probably already threw them on the back wall. Nope, didn't come up. Yeah, and I missed out on the Black Cat 3s on the back wall. That's my fault for looking at other stuff. But it is what it is. Got the Fear 4 still. Still got those 4s in the men's, which is definitely a surprise. Got a few of the 2 3s. Got one actual 2 right here. 2 3s starting to go on sale. That's a pretty dope colorway. Coming out with more and more colorways of these RMs right here. Oh, these aren't the RMs. These are what the Flight Courts. I guess they came out with a new Team J. Came out with multiple colorways already. I am a fan of these cool grays right here. Both of these look clean. They do look clean. material on this one seems a little better than a regular mid, so that's not bad. Oh, these are an SC, that's why. 135. The university blue ones down there. Starting to see a bunch of the OGs go on sale. Got the Barclays right there. Dude, got the Diamond Turf, aka Dion's right there. Zoom Freaks, 50 freaking bucks. That's what's up. I think I'm gonna speed things up a little bit. I'm gonna try to hit up Cerritos real quick. I don't have that much time today, but do want to see what's up with the lids over there, the locker room. But yeah, got 70% off. Got a Mexico t-shirt right here, 70% off. Nothing crazy though, but at least the 70% off is back. At least it's back. Do got CSG hoodie right here, pretty decent. Got 70% off. These are going to be solid deals. The CSG gear, really nice material and stuff. Definitely worth 70 off. All right, sneakers wise, pretty much the same. I do like all the MB4s right there. Got tons of colorways now. But yeah, we're gonna speed things up. Shoe Palace does consider this to be one of their flagship locations, so we definitely got to stop by. This is one of the few spots where they get all the Kobe's and that type of stuff. And then they also have signups. Signups coming up. Dang, that's already this weekend or this upcoming weekend. God dang it. And yeah, like I mentioned, they do get all the Kobe's. This looks like a preschool. It's a grade school men's. It is a men's, but it is a grade school. Do got the Halos. Those are size 8 right there. And then got the Day of the Mambas. 2 bills for these. This is size 9. And they also got these. Holy cow. 150 for these bad boys right here. Some people did mention, hey, some places got this for 130. The Shoe Palace, it looks like Shoe Palace sold it for 150, but 150 for these bad boys. These are dope, dude. These are dope. Upgraded leather, definitely better than just the typical Air Forces. Also has Kobe's signature right there. $150 for these bad boys. The fact that they're still available, pretty freaking crazy. Obviously, these are the Kobe, so Laker colorway, but look, like it doesn't technically match. I think if you wore it, I think it would look okay, but not perfect though. Not perfect. Maybe with the Nike jerseys. Maybe with the Nike jerseys. Maybe the gold/yellow slightly different. I don't wear Forces enough to be able to justify grabbing those. Because yeah, those are definitely the ones that I would get if I got any Air Forces. I only have like 1 or 2 in my collection. Do got the Concord Jordan 1 lows right here. I think I called them the Space Jams on one of my videos. They're technically not the Concords because there's no Concord on here. Concord's actually a purple. There's actually no purple on these. The Concord 11s, there's a slight amount of purple on the bottom, so that's why they call them the Concord. So technically, these aren't the Concords, but that's what people are calling them. I don't know. But yeah, 125. I wonder if I should grab one of these too, though, because these do go well with suits and stuff like that. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to make sure I have money for the 5s this upcoming weekend, but maybe eventually grab those. They did sell out last time they did come out, but yeah, I do got these. Still, I was hoping to find one at the outlets, have not been able to do so. Then Keith Haring, Bruce Lee merch on sale, $50. Pretty freaking solid price. Man, Leatherman jackets going for $50, not bad at all. They got multiple colors, multiple sizes. And then they still have the Scarface ones right here. These are $50 as well. Okay, Monopoly one too. All right, gonna head over to Cerritos. Is that gonna be in the same video? Is that gonna be a separate video? I don't know yet. We'll find out. If not, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the like video. Do all that good stuff. Lid semi-annual clearance sale ending this weekend. And there are still some leftover jerseys towards the end of the sale, so not many left. But look at this, Darius Miles, $25, 40% off on top. They did have a couple of leftover Lakers jerseys, so you know how to grab them. Did stop by the Fans location out in Lakewood. And of course, I got a full video coming, so make sure you guys check that out on the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Got plenty coming. SB Dunks, I freaking love these SB Dunks.